friends, today we're gonna draw a dinosaur. So we're gonna have some markers, piece of paper, and one black marker. And this one we're gonna use to draw with. So let's get started. First we're gonna draw a head of this dinosaur. So let's make some nostrils first. Like that. And then we're gonna make his huge mouth. And then it's gonna go like this. And around like that. Now we can make his huge eye. A dinosaur eye. You know, dinosaurs were the largest animals at their time. But then they disappeared because of the meteor strike. Otherwise, we would have them today, and maybe we would be good friends. Who knows? Okay, so we have that part completed. Now we can also add some lines there, maybe, and we can add two small circles, and then the big one. And then maybe another one to make these eyes really cool. So we can color this circle all black, just like that. And later on we're gonna color outside green, so it's gonna have green eyes. Maybe we can add some shape like this, so he can smile a little bit. Then we can make half circle here, and it's going all the way down and connecting with his mouth. And there we go. We have almost completed his cute little head. And we can add those spikes as well. Like that, something. Now we can go down and create his neck first. And then we're gonna create his body and hands. We can make hands pretty simple, just like that. And add hands like that. And let's make another one. And if you want, you can make it something like he's holding something, maybe a heart or something. I'm gonna leave it as it is for now. Then we're gonna draw the rest of his body, just like that. Then we're gonna create his huge legs. They're gonna go something like this, and then can make some huge nails. Like that. And let's make another one on this side. that. Then we're gonna make 1, 2, 3 nails. And connect it with the rest of the body. It's looking nice. And now we can also add more spikes here. Like that. And we can add a little tail going all the way around. There we go, we have completed the drawing part, and now we're gonna go and color. We have completed our little dinosaur, and I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. You can give it a little check mark as completed and a little heart because we love our little dinosaur. And see you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.